Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's reshaping how industries operate. As environmental awareness grows, businesses are increasingly adapting sustainable materials to reduce pollution, lower carbon emissions, and cut long-term costs. Traditional materials often contribute to waste and energy intensity, but eco-friendly alternatives can offer greater durability, reusability, and efficiency. At FlexCraft, we're committed to this shift by prioritizing recyclable and reusable materials in our modular solutions, designing products built to last and be reconfigured rather than replaced, and using manufacturing processes that conserve energy and reduce waste. By embracing circular economy principles, where materials are reused, repurposed, and kept in service longer, companies can both meet sustainability goals and maintain performance. Choosing sustainable materials today helps businesses stay competitive and prepares them for a greener industrial future.